The next input mode is real-time from sound card or other analog data sources. After select real-time as input, its menu will pop up as shown here. First turn on A to D. Select device type and device name. Enter sampling frequency. Then enter optional basic data information, such as test ID, username, and project name. Next set up A to D channel such as channel name, channel ID, and unit. Click OK to close the menu. Now we are ready to perform real-time signal processing. Turn on time history and PSD and click play. The time history and PSD of the two A to D channels are now displayed and updated here block by block.